All right, folks, I got another great gift idea for the last minute. All right. As you guys know, some of us like to change our own oil, and the Indian drain plug is a menace. I mean, literally is a menace. Sometimes you put that Allen wrench in there and you're twisting it and it starts turning and the bolt's not turning and you're about to strip that bolt out. I know a few of our friends have done it. I won't mention no names. Right, please. But anyway, it has happened. All right, so what did we do? Well, Les got one of these magnetic drain plugs from Votex. All right, and it's pretty cool. Right now you see, but it's actually got a protected casing over it right now, so you got to pull that off before you put it in there. But it has the O-ring in there, and also has a magnetic magnet right here at the end that will collect all the metals going through the oil as the motorcycle is running. Also, the Allen is gone, so it's got a regular socket fitting right here. So and it also has a new crush washer right there, which is freaking awesome. So this is Votex. I don't really know how to say it, but anyway, V as in Violet, O-T-E-X. And they're made in USA and they're family owned. So check them out. I ordered this about 4 days ago and I already got it. I was surprised it was in the mail, and it was even snail mail, USPS. I mean, it was freaking awesome. Anyway, you can get it on sale sometimes. So check and see if there's a coupon at the top of the website. I got this for $44.99. It usually runs around 50 bucks. And telling you, man, it looks really nice. And I've heard good things about this old drain plug. Pretty awesome. But anyway, as you guys know, time is running out. All right. So you got to get these orders in. I don't make any money off this. I bought this product myself. Les brought his product by himself. And he loves it, so I decided to get it myself because I've changed my oil a couple times, and on my Challenger and my Pursuit. And on the Challenger, I actually stripped the plug, the Allen wrench. I stripped it, and this one I almost did. So it's not fun, especially when you're like, oh my gosh, panicking because it's an Allen and it doesn't have a socket attachment to it, so it's just round. So it's pretty scary. Anyway, if you want some of our merch, time is running out, folks. This stuff is made to order. The hats are made to order. So if you really want something, you're gonna be paying high price shipping if you wait too long. So please make your orders quick and let's get them things in and let's get wearing them at Christmas parties and showing off your spirit and your support for Throttle Iron. Anyway, in a couple minutes, folks, check out. There's gonna be a video here, which is our last podcast, which was Pikes Peak, and down here is Dean Speed. So check them both out. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if we reach to 1,000 subscribers, guess what? There's a surprise package back here, a prize package back here that's valued almost $1,400. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when we have a podcast every Tuesday night, which is at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then.